Good evening friends, my name is Shantanu Vaidya. I am here with the new video topic. My today's video topic is object life cycle in Java. So let's start with this today's video topic. What is the object life cycle of your, what we can say, object, or what is the life cycle of your object in Java? So basically objects are persistence. What exactly it means? Objects are present in your memory until you destroy them. It means object cannot be destroyed automatically, or objects are not going to be destroyed, or objects are not going to be removed from your memory automatically. We have to create object as well as we have to remove object as from your memory to get free your memory. So this is why we have used object life cycle method in Java to control or to manage that particular life cycle of your object or reference of your object. So let's start with this today's topic. Uh, let's consider that the life cycle of your object is can be part into three types, or it can be divided into three different types. That first one is creation of your object, second one is initialization of your object, and third one is destruction of your object. I'll explain both every part of that object life cycle. First, creation. We all know how to create an object of your particular method, or particular any kind of method where you want to create an object or reference of that object. So first we can put object name, after that equal to sign, after that name, after that again object's class name, and after that arguments. So this is the syntax wise creation of your object or reference of your object. First one, this is the first part, that it means a creation of object. So in that there can be a two types. It means there can be a new keyword associated with object, your name of object, and after that there will be a second creation method, that obj underscore arr. It also has a similar word, but it can be used in different scenarios. Obj arr can be written in argument type, or after that you can write arguments to directly indicate that particular method. So this is the creation of your object. It means first I'll explain a simple concept before going in front of your life cycle of your object. Objects are having three properties. First one, object has to be created to get stored the reference of your object in your memory. Second one, it has a personal, or it has a particular initialization value, that is for true it will become a 1, or for false it will become a 0. So this is second. And third, if you want to remove that particular object, you have to clean up, or you have to use instruction method for that only. Otherwise it will not gonna destroy your object. It will remain on that particular memory location for a certain time of period. So this is this is why we are using a life cycle method, object life cycle method. Object life cycle method gives us a control on your creation of object, as well as initialization of your object, as well as destruction of your object. So for getting a control or whole control on your object, we are using the initialization we are using the life cycle method. So this is first part is over here. Second part is that initialization. Initialization is nothing but int method. What is int method? We all know the int. What is the work of int method? Int method is nothing but a initializer of your particular object. Here in the int method, there can be a two scenarios. If initialization is going to be true, it will become a 1, or if initialization is going to be false, it will going to be become a 0. So on that basis we are comparing that we are having a object initialized as 1 or object initialized as a 0. So that is why we are using initialization method or int method in the initialization of your object. First one is complete creation of object. Second one is completed initialization of object. Third one, destruction or destroy, how to destroy your object or particular object from your memory locations. So third, destruction of your object is done by this obj underscore destroy. This is the keywords to use destruction method. And again, this is also compulsory uses of that destruction method. You cannot put a direct destruction method in front of your object. You have to create a destruction method in cleanup method, and in that cleanup method you can call up a cleanup method or cleanup sequence for that your object. Here, the destruction method can perform the operation of your object destruction. It means it can be remove your object from your memory location to get your memory free from that particular object reference. So, if you want to remove that particular object, the particular object's reference from your memory, you can create a cleanup method. Um, Outside your object or in the parent class or in a super class of your object, so that it can be easily called by super class, and after that it will execute and get a cleanup by JVM. So this is all about today's video topic from me. Thank you so much.